Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out if the RAM of your Windows computer is working perfectly or not. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application named as RAM and SSD Diagnostic by Chris Bonis, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. So below you can see here a download option. Just click on it. Wait for a few seconds. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close the web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. And just open the extracted folder. I will see here on the second list the application. Just double click it. Now you will be shown some instructions. Here you can see here it's showing something, so we'll just click on OK, and now you can see here the software user interface, right? So you can select the full size, how much RAM you want to check out. So I'll just keep it by default 1 GB. You can increase it also. You can check the SSD also if you wish. I will just keep it for now. You can just disable it also if you don't want to check your SSD or if you don't have SSD also. So I'll just keep it, and what I will do, I'll just click on start and wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see in my case everything has been okay, as you can clearly see. Or if you want to try it again, you can just click on start again if you want to check it. So you can see here on the above past test 1, so that means everything is working perfectly. So I'll just repeat it again so to confirm whether it's really working perfectly or not. So you can see a green signal, all done, verify, okay. That means my RAM is perfectly working. So if you see a below memory error, then you need to check it again, and if it shows again the memory error, that means your RAM is having some issue or some problems. So using this tiny applications, you can easily find out if the RAM of your Windows computer is working perfectly or not very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.